Good day, everyone. How are you? How is everything? We bless God for today. Now, this is another question for our students that are sitting down for E levels, mathematics examinations, SAT, Cambridge, GC, and all those stuffs. Echo, all those stuffs. Okay, you have y equals to sine x plus cos x. You have to find the y dx. Indirectly or directly, they are asking you to find differential coefficients or derivatives. Okay, your y equals to sine x plus cos x. So they ask you your dy, the x will be differentiation of sine x is cos x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sine x. Okay, so here you are going to have cos x plus times minus, that's minus sine x. That is the answer. That is the answer. But at times they can also do it like this. They will say your y equals to sine square x. Can you see? Then plus cos square x. Are you getting that? Sine square x. If you ask you to uh, differentiate, what will you do here? You just say let u equals to sine square x. So now if u equals to sine square x, you can say let m equals to sine x. Okay, your dm dx will equals to cos x. So it shows that your u equals to m squared. Okay, because you have represented sine x to be m or m to be sine x. So this one, so you look for du dm. Your du dm is 2m. Okay, du dm is 2m. Okay, so now your du dx will now equals to the m dx times the u dm. So in that place um you're having what here? The m dx, that is cos x, then times the u dm, that is 2m. So you have 2 cos x, then your m is what? Your m is sine x. That is what you have there for ordinarily this one. For this one now, let that one equals to v, and that is cos square x. Okay, your cos square x, just say you can say let k equals to cos x. Okay, if k equals to cos x, you are going to have the k dx. Your the k dx is minus sine x. Okay, so your v will now equals to k raised to power 2, and the v dk will be 2k. So you now take it. So the v dx will equals to the k dv times the v dk. The k dx times the v dk. Okay, that's the v dx. So here, what's your k dx? That's minus sine x. Then times the v dx, that is 2k. So here you are going to have minus 2 sine x, then k is cos x. So that is what you have there. So what will you now do now? So differentiation of this will now be, differentiation of this will be 2 cos x sine x plus then minus 2 sine x cos x. So everything will be, if you look at it, it will be 0. It will be 0. So I don't want to, there is one, we call something trigonometric identity. When you have your y to be sine square x plus cos square x. Under trigonometric identity, your sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So indirectly, they are asking us to differentiate to find the y dx of 1. The y dx of 1 is 0. Like the way you have 2 cos x sin x minus 2 sin x cos x to be 0. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Differentiation of 1 is also 0. Help me to share it. This work is very long. God bless you. Bye bye.